sitten. No nyt. Me lähdetään Jamaikalle.
Good production.
Move vendetta baby. Move vendetta lady.
Me blood clot.
Right now we are big, well big. Our daily past 20 little bit. We are drink my tie, and I live a whole different lifestyle.
Right now me up, she up. Anything when me buy your canto. Me a drive out, she a drive out. If me fi fly out, she can fly out. Cause me up, she up. Nothing like when your girl turned up. If you see the wallet, you a go see the purse. If me girlfriend better than yours. Me vendetta girl that the proud of you. Your Bensky or something fi remember you. All the hustling where we go on with all the cards where you bust and you never get borrow. Me lifestyle of the two of we so borrow. Me might dead, you might go jail tomorrow. But anything happen to we baby we can't, so we never live it like. What if my wife a party? What if my wife a party?
Yo, up there. What you up there?
Live the life before you lost it. Feel the vibes, I know me charge it.
Man, I gonna lose them girl this summer.
Me want relax, me want a line. Dance all of the place there. Feel all the blood
No boring girl. No man no want no boring girl. Yeah, for boring girl.
Send me a finest.
She can spin up. Girl, you a body broker. You know fi turn the back way. You a body broker. You know fi cock up your foot, then you a body broker. You know fi play with the cocky, get the body tougher. You know fi sit down, you a body broker. Girl, right on the chan like a body broker. Me say you tight on the chan, you a body broker. You fi ass slim, tummy tucker, you a body broker. She make body broke. She make body broke. She make body broke. Kick body girl, she broke.
Bobo, hey man, higher than high man. Zoom higher the cloud in my float pan. First class to the world, me no coach man. No inna my league. Watch out now, them no inna my league. No inna my league. Them a help with a little bit of money and weed, no reach nowhere. And I say them a lead. No inna my league. No inna my league. Them too slow, them a invalid. Man full of step like a centipede. Now inna my league. First thing, get a thanks for the most things. Security, I at me guard. Look on me house and me yard and me 1 dozen pit bull dog. This industry must be me girl, cause me fucking this industry hard. No fatter than them a hype and soups, and them nah live better than dog. Me bank account.
Yeah, me I say the man. Unleash your fucking self. It's Unleash group, one of the best group, one of the romantic group, the fantastic group. Just catch them. You need to find them. Go on Facebook, YouTube. Type in Unleash, Instagram. Must find them. Got me? Unleash your fucking self.